What's up, guys? On our way to pick up our second fleet vehicle for Lalo Plumbing. My beautiful wife is accompanying me to this grand occasion. That's Bradley, our #1 dealer. Vehicle number 2. Big milestone for Lalo Plumbing. See this bad boy on the road in Austin, Texas. Jumping in the new truck. Really excited to be growing the fleet. Thanks to everybody for all your support. City of Austin, upward from here. Let's go.